Alright, so I'm doing a third person video recording. So it'll be the first time, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so this should be coming out shortly. Very shortly. If people just stop shooting me. Where is everyone? It's up for Super Bowl Sunday, so it's Broncos versus Seahawks. The Seahawks are over there, and the Broncos are over there. So yeah, and I'm just getting lit up as a cameraman. So yeah.
Wait, what did he do?
It's a team deathmatch.
But how are we supposed to know who's up who?
Isn't it camo versus no camo?
No, I thought it was Broncos versus.
You changed it.
So is it, are we on semi?
Yeah, everyone's on semi. TDM. It's a team deathmatch. Oh my gosh, everyone's asking me questions, so pay attention.
I'm helping from Phil.
Alright.
Wait, is it team deathmatch?
Ref POV.
Yeah, okay.
Don't shoot me.
Don't touch me.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Man, we got a
ride
Wait, it's team deathmatch, right?
I don't know. Were you guys listening?
Yeah, I thought he said team deathmatch.
Dude, it's like a ghost town here. Blue on blue, looks like. Quick, you need to operate as much as you can. Go, guys, go! Some of you guys got hit. I thought I couldn't tell. Nope.
Oh, my nipple!
All right, we need to get an after action report of this, sir. Bro, is that real night vision?
What?
Do you even see at night?
I see you with the flashlight.
Guys, he's too cool for us. He has fake night vision.
I know.
Guys, they're so operator they can't move out of the corner.
You didn't hit me. I did get hit.
Oh, one on like 70 now.
All right, go get it. Did it blow up? No, it never blew up. All right, man. Go back.
It looked like a giant white thing that just got flown across the room. Looked like one of those bomb bags.
Yeah.
What was it? I couldn't even tell what it was.
Ready? I don't have my pistol either. Alright, I'm going across. Go, go, go.
Ow. It's okay. Ow. Keep going.
Oh.
Back away from the front!
Same team. Back up. Same team.
Thanks, guys. I probably just got shot like 20 times in that one area.
Brooke coming through.
I'm with him.
You're not really with him, per se.
Ow!
Oh! 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 Oh, nut shot! You just saw it, guys.
Welcome to YouTube.
Oh, I just thought this I thought this was going on eBay. I didn't know.
Is that our team?
She's kind of yellow.
Look at this blowback action.
Oh, it's so intense. It looks like this game was called a little early. So yeah. Still pretty cool. Let me know you guys in the comments and see how you like it.
Remember I took a video?